Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how you can go ahead and add quick access to File Explorer. It's really easy and simple. Let's say you opened up this folder, CapCut, and you want to pin this to quick access. Now, what you're going to do is click on Home, okay? Make sure you click Home right here, and then you'll see this option that says Pin to quick access. So whatever folder you have open right now, it will be pinned to quick access. Let me go ahead and do that. There we go. Just go ahead and click on that option, okay? Now if I scroll up here, you'll see CapCut. It's added, right? And I'll show you another method as well. Okay, so I'll open up videos right here. And if you want to pin this one to quick access, right, this folder, all you need to do is right click this folder. All right, and there's actually an option right here, pin to quick access. Just go ahead and click on that option. And let me show you, here we go. Videos also pinned to quick access. So those are the two methods, guys. So I hope that helped you.